If you want to make your videos more discoverable on YouTube, adding tags is a great option. So, in this video, I'll show you how to add tags to your YouTube video. Keep watching this video because the process is super easy, and in a couple of minutes you will know exactly how you can do this. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So first of all, what you want to do is click on your channel icon at the top right, and from this menu, click on YouTube Studio. So you can add tags to your video while it is being uploaded or after it has been uploaded to YouTube. First, I'll show you how to add tags during the uploading process. So for that, I am just going to upload a random video. So now you can give this video a name and you can write down a description of what this video is about. And if you want to add tags to your video, all you have to do is scroll down and click on Show More. And then scroll down a little bit and you will see the tags section. So, you can add as many tags as you like. However, there is a total limit of 500 characters for all tags combined, so you have to make sure each tag is relevant to the video and useful to viewers. So you can start typing words in this box and then hit enter, and this will create a video tag. So if you want to find relevant and accurate tags, what I recommend is using vidIQ to do your keyword research. This is what I use personally, and it has helped me to find low competition, high search volume keywords. So this is a fantastic tool if you want to add tags to your video. So now, if you want to add tags to a video that you have already uploaded to YouTube, click on the content option at the left, and then go over to the video that you want to add tags to. Click on this pencil icon to edit video details, and then scroll down, and you will see the tags section again. You can add tags to your video by typing them in here. So that's it for this video. It's quick and easy to add tags to your video. So if you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comments below, and if you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy tutorial videos. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.